Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Rashid Noori. Today we discuss past perfect continuous tense. It is used to show those actions which started from some certain time with or without the help of time markers since or for. Those actions which started some certain time in past and also recently done that we call past perfect continuous tense had helping verb had been. Example, he had been working in streets for second days. He has not been walking in streets for second day. In interrogator, had he been walking in streets for second day? In interrogative negative, had he not been walking in streets for second day? You had been collecting data for 3 days. In negative, you had not collecting data for 3 days. In interrogative, had you been collecting data for 3 days? In interrogative negative, had you not been collecting data for 3 days? She had been accompanying him since Bazaar 2010. She had not been accompanying him since 2010. An interrogator, had she been accompanying him since 2010? Interrogative negative, had she not been accompanying him since 2010? My cousin had been learning English for 5 weeks. My cousin had not learning English for 5 weeks. My had my cousin been learning English for 5 weeks. The interrogative negative, had my cousin not been learning English for 5 weeks. Cobbler had been shining the shoes since morning. Cobbler had not been shining the shoes since morning. In an interrogative, had Cobbler been shining the shoes since morning? In interrogative negative, had Cobbler not been shining the shoes since morning? So syntax of the past perfect continuous tense: affirmative subject plus had been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since or for. In negative, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb fourth form plus object after that since or for. In interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form plus object plus since or for after that question mark. In interrogative negative, had plus subject plus been and not plus been plus verb fourth form after that since or for after that question mark. They had been reading for 3 days. They had not been reading for 3 days. In interrogative, have they been reading for 3 days? In interrogative negative, have they not been reading for 3 days? So I hope that you understand past perfect continuous very well. You have enjoy all these examples, also clear your confusion on past perfect continuous tense. So we will meet in next video. So thank you.